Lynette here, and I am coming to you live from my home office. And today we have a oldie but a goodie that we're bringing back to the channel. So I'm definitely excited to unbox for you guys, as you saw in the title below, my fashion crate. So let's get in and let's get into it. Okay guys, so welcome back. As I said, we have an oldie but a goodie. If you guys have ever tried to get into different fashion subscriptions, I definitely have. I've tried and failed. But there's like two fashion subscriptions that I continue to come back to that doesn't have surprise pricing and you're not like having to return products. These are just, you pay for the subscription just like you do with all the beauty subscriptions, where you pay one price and you keep whatever's in that box or that bag. This is that type of package. So this is my fashion crate, and what my fashion crate is, they have 3 subscriptions, and of course, as I do with every video, I'll put all the details in the description box below so that you guys can check it out for yourself. They have different subscriptions. So they have like an accessories box. If you don't want any clothing, you just want totally accessories. Then they have an essentials box, which comes with everything that comes in the accessories, but you get a fashion item. And then we have the premium package, which is what I have here. And with the premium is you get 2 different fashion items plus everything that came in the smaller subscription. So I prefer the higher package because I usually get 2 awesome products, and again, fashion products anyway, and you don't have to return them, unlike other subscriptions where they may charge you like a styling fee, and then you have to figure out what you want. And of course, if you're like me, you probably want everything. Then you have like a $200, $300 bill, which that's not the type of bill that I'm looking for. So let me know if that's something that you've had probably a struggle with different fashion subscription boxes, which is what I want to stay away from. I prefer to get, add to my wardrobe maybe with 1 or 2 items that I love, and then continue from there, because I don't need that many I don't need that much in clothing, since especially because I work from home, so I don't need that much in clothing, but I want to add to my subscription, to my outfit, my wardrobe and stuff. So this is one of the, I haven't had my fashion crate. I don't know, I'll put in the description, I'll put the last box. I believe, if I'm not wrong, either that was April or May. So I kind of put a pause on my subscription just so I can check out a couple other things in the meantime. But I had to come back because I've been having a hard time finding one that actually was my style, or was sending me stuff that I would actually wear. So with that being said, let's take a look to see what came in the August My Fashion Crate box or bag. And every month, as you can see, that comes in this silver mailer, so you know that that's definitely your package. And let me look. I know that they have like here we go. So with every package, you actually get a description of everything, and you guys can see everything there. So I'm not gonna, well, I'll let you guys see it. I can't see it, but that is everything that's the outfits that are in the box, and the things on the bottom. So you guys got to see before I did. So they give you like a retail value, which is what I love. And then they give you the description of each item. So let's dive in, and I'm gonna kind of leave the clothes for last because we'll leave that for last. All right, so the very first thing that I have here are these earrings, and these are from Riah Fashion, Los Angeles. So let me take a look here. Okay, let me see. Where are you? Okay, Boho. Sorry guys, I had to find it. So this is a Boho Ivory Tassle earring. And these beautifully boho earrings are made for summer nights with your friends. You can easily rock this romantic look with a sweet dress and wedges, or keep it classic with a little black dress and heels. And these have a retail value of $25. I can definitely say I do not have these in my jewelry box at all, so I'm definitely excited to try that. And then the next item here we have is from my Couture, and this is let me see, where are you? This is a luxurious My wallet from My Couture. This has a retail value of $28. This is a luxurious chevron stitched wallet with a gold logo snap button. This wallet is designed to fit your makeup or skincare papers. There are 4 slots to hold credit cards and ID. There is also a side compartment that can hold business cards and cash. So let us take a better look at this one so we can totally check it out. So this is this is cool because this, here in Texas, sometimes you go to places and you kind of don't want to carry a purse. So this, definitely you can throw this in your pocket, which I am one of those people that have big purses still. So those are definitely not convenient. So if you can take, oh, this is cute. It's actually pretty cool. It's very small. And like it says, you can put your ID in here, you can put cash. So this is very convenient and it's very, very pretty. So I can do that. I can totally use this. So I would definitely excited to add this to, I have a big wallet that is super huge and this, I will definitely use that. So I'm definitely excited. And again, that was $28. So let us see the next item here. So this is from Masquerade. So this is 2 peel off masks. This is Rose All Day. So this is a rose gold mask. So you guys can see that there. And then, so this is a mask, Rose All Day mask. This has a retail value of $6. And if you guys know anything about me, I love masks. I can mask every day if I wanted to. I definitely have a lot of masks that I have, and I actually have mask subscription boxes. So if you guys want to know the 10-step skincare routine that I use, and that includes masking, I'll put that somewhere up here. So let's take a look and see more. So this is a Say Yes Way to Rose. The rose gold peel off mask is made from real 24 karat gold flakes that your skin will drink up in a wink. Benefits, luminizes and boosts skin radiance, refines the appearance of skin texture, visibly shrinks pores, strips away impurities, and gently uproots fine facial hairs, instantly lifts and firms. Like I said, if you guys, I actually did a mask yesterday because I have so many masks in my home. I try to do these at least 2 or 3 times a week. Doesn't mean I get a chance to do it, but I definitely give it my best. So this has 2 in a package, so I'm definitely excited to try this one out. So definitely am gonna always get use of that one. And just a tip, if you guys have face mask or sheet mask in your home, whether it's for your eyes or it's for whatever, if you have any sheet masks in your home, the best thing to do is to keep them stored in your refrigerator. That keeps them cool so that when you put it on, it actually cools your face, or cools, especially if you have like the eye mask, that cools that area down too, and it helps reduce whatever bags you have under your eyes. Just a tip. All right, so let me take a look here and see what's next. And actually all the products that we just mentioned comes with that essentials package. So we'll show you what came with the higher package. Let me just make sure we have, okay, so this comes with the higher package. So we're gonna put that to the side. Let me see what else. Okay, so this one comes with the essential package. So this is the last item. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 items that we just shared. And this is a Chic Sage Blouse. So this, let me see, this one has a retail value of $38. Let me open this up. Let me find where to open that up. Okay, party people, I am back. So give me a second. Let me get my scissors here to open this one up. I'm sorry for the noise. Okay, let me put that to the side. Put it to the side, Lynette. All right, so let me see here. So this is a green sage blouse, and we will definitely try that out. And let me, because I know sometimes it's hard to see exactly how that looks, so I will give you guys the way that this one looks here without, well, I'll show you this one. This is this item here. So that's pretty. That's pretty. So you see there, it's very loose fitting. and you could throw that on with some jeans. Obviously, you guys see the other item there. So this blouse, so I'll read that while you guys are looking at this. So this says, this beautiful sage blouse is such an effortlessly chic style for any summer day. We love the vibrant color and lightweight material is simply perfect. It's so easy to wear it's so easy to wear this with shirts or white leggings for a gorgeous summer style. And again, this has a retail value of $38. So I'm not gonna try it on because it closes on the bottom, so I kind of don't want to play with that here, but you guys can see what that looks like. And I can honestly say I do not have anything in my closet that is green, so I am definitely excited to add that to my my wardrobe. And the beauty of it is, if you see that there in the picture, you guys can see that it's very loose fitting. So I didn't mention this in the beginning, but I received the I get the plus size package. So if you are from small to large, the clothing may not be the same, but I wear extra large because of my top. So I find that anything that's large, that's not loose fitting, just doesn't fit me. So I prefer to get the bigger size than not, so I can make sure I have a chance that I can actually fit the clothing. So I always get extra large with this. So I do get the plus size box, but all the accessories that you saw here, if you're getting small to large, would be included in this. Like I said, minus these shirts. If you go to My Fashion Crate's Instagram, they always post like different spoilers. So if you guys are small to large, you can see what those spoilers would be. But I definitely like that, so I'm not mad about that at all. Okay, so now we're going up to the premium package. So this is what you're getting at the highest package. So that wasn't bad. If you think about it, you got, without going to the higher package, you got a shirt and you got a wallet, you got the face mask, and you got the earrings. So that wasn't bad. But for me, because I'm super greedy, I prefer to get 2 clothing items. So that's why I always get the higher package myself. So what comes with the higher package? So again, you get everything that I mentioned in the video, including, well, not including these 2 items. So one of the items was this item right here. So this is a Be a Pineapple cosmetic bag. So be exactly what it says. Be a pineapple, stand tall, wear a crown, and stay sweet on the side. So this has a retail value of $28. So that is really, really cute. I actually don't have anything. This is from Riah Fashion, also just like the earrings. I don't have anything at all. My makeup bags are pretty small because I use the ones that we get from Ipsy, and you guys know those are really small. So this is pretty, and it actually it's very big. So I'm not mad at that at all. I will get use out of this. Usually my daughter steals all my Ipsy bags, so I don't get use out of that at all. So let me make sure this is the last item in here, and this is another top. Yep, so that's it. So this is the last item in our package, and this is a pink romantic top. So let me take a look and see how this one is. And let's see. So you guys probably saw it already here. Again, another loose fitting top. Ladies, anything about me, I am into loose fitting stuff, especially because sometimes you just want to be comfortable, right? So that is what this one looks like. Love love the sleeves. Hello, love the sleeves. This looks very pretty. Love the sleeves again, and then the white is sort of like a white ruffle, if you guys can see that. So super cute. Not mad at that at all. So let us find out about this one. So this is a pink romantic top. This beautifully romantic top is sure to spice up any summer outfit. This darling look features a light pink colored paired with the cutest ruffle bell sleeves for a dramatic twist. Again, it has a retail value of $38. Not mad at that at all. these are two comfortable tops that I definitely don't have anything like that in my closet, and I'm not mad about receiving it. So that's why I had to come back to my fashion crate. I just totally love the stores. I remember, I no longer live in New York, but when I used to live in New York, I always used to love going to the little boutiques in the Village, just because it wasn't like the normal retail stores out there. You can find stuff that was so unique, and you wouldn't see anyone else with those items unless they went to those same boutiques, but they were usually like one-of-a-kind items, and I just miss doing that here in Texas. We don't have, well, they do have boutiques, but I used to love just shopping in the Village because they were all so unique, and I actually still have clothes from those little boutiques that you can find those things online. So definitely love these totally. I am definitely excited to have these in my wardrobe. So with that being said, I will put the total retail value in the description below so you guys can see what that came to. But what did you guys think? Have you guys ever tried my fashion crate before? I know it's been a couple months for me, and I'm definitely happy that I came back to it. I love my fashion crate. The quality of the products, or the products and the clothing, have always been awesome for me. They've always been comfortable, so I'm definitely not mad at that at all. But I will put their information in the description box below so that you guys can check them out for yourself. One of the things I love about it is you get to keep everything that came. So all of these items, everything you saw here, and then everything here, pictured here, is what you get to keep. I mean, I got a wallet, I got a face mask, cosmetic bag, I got earrings, and I got 2 tops, just for one price, rather than have to figure out, oh, what do I want to keep? What can I sacrifice? No, it's just like a subscription that you see back there, like Ipsy and Allure. You get to keep everything in that bag, and then they're yours, and that's it. No returns, nothing like that. So you guys let me know, are we box twins? Did you guys ever try my fashion crate before? Let me know in the description box below, and we will see you on the next video. So have a good day, guys.